Well, look at that. Somebody put a hole in a nice rock there. Perfectly good rock. Some fantastic scenery. We are here at Window Rock, Arizona. So what we just looked at there was Navajo Code Talker. And this awesome scenery. Some of you are familiar with Window Rock, Arizona, for those that are into Radio DX. The radio station KTNN 660 AM Powerhouse is here in Window Rock. This is absolutely phenomenal scenery. Definitely recommend this. Support the local natives while you're here. Well, fantastic. I got a surprise, a treat for you guys. For all of us at DX, and we use KTNN 660 AM out of Window Rock, Arizona as a pinpoint for how good your radios are. Well, guess where I'm at today? That's right. I'm at KTNN 660 AM in Window Rock, Arizona. And they have been gracious enough to allow us to tour the building. So let's go ahead and go on in and take the tour. This is going to be spectacular.
Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm the receptionist here at KTNN, also known as Native Broadcast Enterprise. I'll be doing a quick tour of our building. We've been in the building for over 2 years. It's going to be March 29th of 2017 since we've been here. So let's go ahead and take our tour. So right here we have our talk studio. And this is where we have our forums done at. Inside the KTNN building, we do have 8 production rooms. And with our production rooms, all 8 are soundproof. 2 of them are taken, one is KTNN AM and FM, and then we also have the sister station, which is Capital Country, which is locally 96.1 locally here in Monroe, and 99.5 in the Chinle area. So with the KTNN staff, we have Dee Ozzy, we also have Dan Arnold, Navajo Bob, we have JoJo, we have JJ, and our other talent is Kyle. With Capital Country, we have Nate, who is on the air right now, we have Marsha, we have Lee, and we have the Duke. So to my left right here, we have our talk studio, and this is where we have our forums done at. And our forums usually happen in the evenings from like 6 to 8 o'clock in the evenings. So we can go ahead and continue the tour. And right here is our KTNN studio. So this is our KTNN studio. Right now, so right here is our third production room, and our tech staff is in here, whose name is Eric. So he is in here. And then we have our fourth studio right here to my left. And then we also have Nate. Nate is also our music director. A lot of them are part-time, are DJs, and they also have jobs outside of just being a DJ. So Nate is our music director, and this is Capital Country. So the difference between both stations is primarily Navajo and primarily English. So this station you'll hear nothing but modern country from the 80s to today's country music. So we can go ahead and go on in. Nate,
How you doing?
Good, you?
I'm doing fantastic. I'm jazzed. This is really cool.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Thank you very much.
right here we have our 6th production room, and Dee is actually doing a little bit of recording. So right now she is recording the news. So there is Dee. Then we have our 7th production room, which is right here, and JoJo is with KTNN. Then our 8th and final studio, we'll have Dan. Dan is recording right now. And then right behind me, we have our break room.
This is where all the action happens.
Oh yeah. so that's pretty much, and then in the back we have we will be doing a little workout center for the staff in the near future. Yeah, so that's pretty much the KTNN building here in St. Michael's, Arizona.
Okay, I thank you very much from the Vintage Electronics Geek YouTube channel and my subscribers. We really appreciate the tour, and thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, that was a fantastic tour, and I definitely do appreciate the staff there to take the time to allow us to go in and take the tour, and I appreciate them a whole bunch for allowing me to videotape and entertain a fan. That was really nice of them. On the way out, they gave us a bag here full of merchandise. So let's go ahead and take a peek at it and see what all we got. And they were kind enough to give us this really cool bag. Oh my, got a whole stack of stickers. And gonna embarrass myself here, but let me do this in my best radio voice, which right now is not the best. Got frogs in my throat. So here we go. This is the voice of the nation, KTNN. Nope, goofed that up. Let's try it again. This is the voice of the Navajo Nation, AM 660 and FM 101.5, KTNN. And let's do another air check. Here we go. Now, I've not heard this radio station, so I'm not sure how they do this, but you're listening to Capital Country here on 96.1 KWRK, 99.5 KCAZ, Window Rock, and Rough Rock. Okay, now, they gave me a cool t-shirt. I'm going to wear that very proud and loudly. All right, and then let's see what else they got. Is there anything on the back of that? Nope. Oh, that was the back. Okay, so the front, we got a cool cool badge up there as well. All right, so let's see what else we have.
Another t-shirt.
Oh, we have 2 t-shirts. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. So, okay, fantastic. Well, again, I appreciate KTNN, the staff here, to give us the tour. Most greatly appreciated. And we definitely will continue on listening throughout the night on DX. Top notch for sure.